What do you mean there's blizzards? There's no snow where I live. Blizzards are one of the most dangerous types of snowstorms. For a snowstorm to become a blizzard, it will have to be going on for 3 hours. Also, I wouldn't recommend driving in one. In March of 1993, the storm of the 20th century happened. Sadly, 300 people died, which is really unfortunate. Don't worry, he's just tired. For a snowstorm to be a blizzard, we'll have to have a wind speed of 42 miles per hour. The first recorded blizzard was back in 1888. Anyways, this is a picture of a blizzard. This is real. Anyways, here's how you can survive blizzards. But before that, the average blizzard is about 10 degrees, which is very cold.
It's time!
Use the radio to know when a blizzard's happening. Be careful when you're walking after a blizzard. And make sure to stay in your house to be safe.